You're smart, you're strategic. So why do you still find yourself overthinking every tough team conversation? You rehearse your words, you question your tone, and by the time you speak up, you are already drained. Here's the truth. Smart leaders don't get stuck because they don't know what to say. They get stuck because of emotional noise, guilt, fear of conflict, and mental clutter. So in this video, I will show you how to break that pattern with emotional intelligence and NLP-based tools so you can lead with clarity, confidence, and calm communication even under pressure. Hi, I'm Shwetta Singhh, leadership transformation coach, and in this video, we are diving into something that silently holds even the smartest leaders back: overthinking. You have been in those meetings where you needed to give feedback, challenge a decision, or handle a conflict, but your mind kept spinning. Will this sound harsh? What if I upset them? Is it even worth bringing up? This isn't a logic problem, it's an emotional intelligence challenge. So let's fix it from the root. Most leadership overthinking is driven by three things. First, guilt. You don't want to come across as too direct or demanding. Second is fear of judgment. You are afraid your team won't take it well, or worse, lose respect. Third is mental noise. You have too many internal voices saying, what if, but, maybe, or don't say that. And the cost? You either speak too late or not at all. And over time, your influence shrinks, your team loses clarity, and burnout creeps in. Let me walk you through my clear reset framework and emotional intelligence and NLP-based framework I teach inside my leadership coaching system. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that whenever I post a next video, you get notified about it. So let's dive into the clear reset system. So in clear, the C stands for center yourself. That means use breathwork on NLP anchoring to calm your nervous system before the conversation. L stands for listen to your inner voice, which states, ask yourself, is this fear or fact, emotion or clarity? Don't let guilt hijack the message. E stands for empathize with their reality, which means see their world. Leadership isn't about control, it's all about the connection. Then A stands for anchor the outcome. Visualize how this conversation will elevate the team and not just solve a problem. The last one is R, which stands from reframe the responsibility. That means this isn't a confrontation, this is leadership. So say, I am not here to be liked, but I am here to lead with compassion and clarity. So now let's apply this to real scenarios. For example, you have to give a feedback to an underperformer. So you can say, I noticed a dip in your momentum lately. I am here to support and not judge. What's getting in your way? So let's say you have to say no without any guilt. So what you can say is, that sounds like a valuable initiative, but right now we need to stay focused on priority A. Let's revisit this after our current goal is met. The third scenario can be addressing attention in the team. I have sensed some unspoken friction lately. Let's talk about it transparently so we don't let silence shape outcomes. These scripts work because they are grounded in emotional intelligence and influence, not fear or people pleasing. So leaders who master emotional intelligence make faster, clearer decisions. They handle difficult conversations without spiraling. They create trust-based, high-performing teams, and yes, boost team productivity by up to 30%. That's what happens when you lead with emotional clarity instead of mental chaos. So if you have ever felt stuck overthinking a conversation or doubting yourself as a leader, that's not weakness, it's a signal, and it's fixable. So I have created a free worksheet to help you start right now. The Self-Leadership Trigger Tracker. a powerful tool that will help you to catch emotional spirals before they sabotage your communication. So the download link is in the description below. And if you are ready to go deeper in this kind of transformation, you can also join my free live masterclass, the Leadership Reset Launchpad, where I teach you how to resolve people problem, lead under pressure, and boost team ROI with emotionally intelligent leadership. So link is in the description to download the worksheet and reserve your seat. You are not stuck, you are just one emotionally intelligent conversation away from massive momentum. Until then, stay grounded, stay conscious, and lead with integrity. I'll see you in the next one.